Kirby, it's time to wake up! It's the first episode!
Did you really have to do that?
There's more where that came from. If you keep doing this, I'm going to freaking eat all the chicken. No, my chicken! Chicken, the chicken! Are you kidding me?
That was some good Popeye's chicken.
That was not Popeyes.
Wait, what type of chicken was it then?
Kirby proof chicken. What happened to Kirby? Kirby, I'm giving you one more chance. You have to go out that door and buy more pop.
Okay, yeah, sure, let's go.
An hour later. Are you back with my chicken?
No, they told me I was broke, man. I don't even get it. I gave them money.
Just tell me a flashback.
Okay. Welcome to Popeyes. How can I help you? Can I get an 8-piece? What? An 8-piece? For how many? One. Kirby, do you even know how many times? I have money this time. Look. Owie. And they were so kind, I got it for free.
Wait a second. How did you get it for...
One gumbo's from the tonight.
Oh, what's wrong?
I'm in the account of a stolen 8-piece chicken.